पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान्। यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ। तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। Panchakosha Viveka was explained, and it was said like how Arundhati Pradarshana Nyaya or Munjad Ishika Nyaya, in that way Atma, the Tvam-pada Lakshyartha, should be separated from the Panchakosha. This is for the Padartha Jnanam, for Tvam Padartha Jnanam. That was not covered directly here, but only when Padartha Jnanam is there, then Vakyartha Jnanam is available. Now further. Tadevam Atmanaha, this is Sambandha Tika for 31st Vartika. Tadevam Atmanaha Parichedavabhasasyopadhi Nibandhanatvat Swato Aparichhinna, you have to read, Khandakar you have to put. Swato Parichinna Paramatmaiveti Pratipadya Tasya Pratishariram Bhed Pratibhasopyupadhi Nibandhano Na Swata Ityetat Drishtantenopapadayati. Tad evam Atmanah Paricheda Avabhasasya Upadhi Nibandhanatvat. Upadhi Nibandhanatvat. If it appears as na, just make it ta at the end. Upadhi Nibandhanatvat. Upadhi is the karanam. For what? Mula karanam. For what? Paricheda avabhasasya. For the Paricheda avabhasa. Means the notion of limitation, notion of conditioning, that I am here, I am not elsewhere, Desha Paricheda. I am now there, but later I will not be existing, this Kala Paricheda. Or I am doing, like I am doing, let's say I am giving pravachan on Dakshinamurti, but I am not giving pravachan on Advait Siddhi, let us say. Why do you feel? Because this Upadhi is giving pravachan on Dakshinamurti Vartika, Manasollasa, not on Advaita Siddhi. So whatever Upadhi is doing, that I take as my dharma. Atma is giving discourse on which text? None. What a wonderful thing. If you identify with Upadhi, you will think that you know one grantha, but you do not know another grantha. But if you identify with Atma, you don't have to worry this grantha or that grantha, because as Atma you are giving discourses on all, because you are illumining all buddhi. Sarva buddhi nam prakashakatvat. You are sarvagnya. So you need not worry then. So Paricheda avabhasa is Upadhi Nibandhana. For whom? Atmanah Paricheda. Atma being conditioned. Atman Shabda, you know how Atman Shabda is formed? Atman Shabda is At Dhatu. You know, Yachapnoti Yad Adatte. So in that all different dhatu that. At Dhatu with Manit Maninau. There is one Unadi Sutra. Saatibhyam Manit Maninau. So in that At, Manit is there. Manit Maninau. So that Man Pratyaya will come and then At plus Man. In this way, the word will be formed. The sutra is not sutra in Laghu Kaumudi or Siddhanta Kaumudi. This is Unadi part. Swato aparichinnam. Aparichinna paramatma eva iti pratipadya. Swatah aparichinnam. By itself, that's why you have to keep khandakar. Otherwise, you will read swatah parichinna. Swatah aparichinna. Paramatma eva iti pratipadya. Tasya pratishariram bheda pratibhaso api. So in every body also there is one Atma. This is how somebody will think. If Atma is understood as Parichinna, then in every body there will be one Atma. If I understand Atma is Swatah Aparichinna, still like in Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, they understand Atma as Vibhu, all pervading, and they also say there are many Atmas. Swato Aparichinna Paramatma eva iti pratipadya. Tasya pratishariram bheda pratibhaso api upadhi nibandhana. In every body there is separate Atma, bheda pratibhasa, that is also due to upadhi. Actually, other than Advaita Vedanta, all other Vedantas also have accepted many jivas, means many Atma. They think all are different. Only we say there is one Atma. Bheda pratibhaso api upadhi nibandhano. Na swatah iti etad drashtantena upapadayati. By itself there is no bheda. This is explained through drashtanta. Yatha salilama avishya bahudha bhati bhaskaraha. Yatha shariranya avishya, tatha shariranya avishya bahudha spurati ishwaraha. Yatha salilama avishya bahudha bhati bhaskaraha tatha shariranya avishya bahudha spurati ishwaraha. Yatha, just as Salilam Avishya, having entered into water, Bhaskaraha, the sun up above in the sky, Bahudha Bhati, it appears that there are many suns in the form of reflections only. Tatha, in the same way, Ishwaraha, Sharirani Avishya, having entered many bodies, because Tat Srishtva Tadevanu Pravishat. So, as if he has entered in many, Bahudha Spurati, he also shines, expresses in the form of many. As Pratibimba, not Bimba. Yatha Bahushu Jalabhajaneshu Pratiyamanasya Bhanubimbasya Jalopadhi Paramarshamantarena Swato Bhedo Na Nirupanam Patham Avatarati Tatha Anekeshu Deheshu Spurata आत्मबिंबस्यापि देहोपाधि परामर्शमंतरेण स्वतो भेदो न निरूपणपथम अर्हति. बहुषु जलभाजनेषु, when there are jalabhajanam means jalapatra, when there are many jalapatras, many receptacles of water, then in them pratiyamanasya bhanubimbasya, the reflection of sun appearing in many because of jala upadhi being there. Other than that, you can't see many suns. Only when jala upadhi is there, then it gives the notion of many suns. Jalopadhi paramarsham antarena swato bhedo na nirupan patham avatarati. Language is beautiful. Nirupan patham, the path of exposition or description as Atma being distinct is not taken unless you accept the manyness due to the reflections appearing in water. Bhanubimbasya jala upadhi paramarsha. Paramarsha there is vichara. Without means taking into consideration the conditioning of water. Swata bheda nirupana patham na avatarati. Tatha, in the same way, अनेकेषु देहेषु स्फुरत आत्मबिंबस्यापि देहोपाधि परामर्शमंतरेण स्वतो भेदो न निरूपण पथम अर्हति. In the same way, without taking into consideration the body, you will not be able to prove manyness. So whenever anybody says there are many atmas, means their attention is on body. It is like when someone says there are many suns, their attention is on water, or pots and water. अतः सर्वशरीरेषु परमार्थतः एक एव आत्मा परिपूर्णश्च इति सिद्धम्. एक एवात्मा मंतव्यो जाग्रत स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्थानत्रय व्यतीतस्य पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. हाँ, देन घट संवृतमाकाशम नियमाने घटे यथा. So like if you take, let's say reflection is there in one, reflection of sun is there in water in one pot. Now when you carry that pot, then reflection will move with that. But if you take akasha in one ghata, then when the akasha, when the ghata is moved, ghato niyeta na akasham, the pot moves, not the space inside the pot. In the same way, reflection as though appears to be moving. But if you take akasha, the bimba or the akasha sthita surya, that doesn't move. So in Pratibimbavada, Pratibimba moves, Bimba doesn't move. In Avachedavada, Ghata moves, Akasha doesn't move. In that way, Paramatma is only one. What is moving is the Abhasa Rupa Sharira. And in that Abhasa, Chidabhasa is there. अतः सर्वशरीरेषु परमार्थतः एक एव आत्मा परिपूर्णश्च इति सिद्धम्. एतेन idam-api nirastham. Now, another Purvapaksha, which is a very strong Purvapaksha, all other darshanas, they have this against Advaita. Yad ahuhu, what do they say? Ekatmatva pakshe ekasmin sukhini sarve sukhina syuhu. What is this? If there is only one Atma, so if that one Atma becomes Sukhi, then all atma should become sukhi, and one atma becomes dukhi, then everybody will become dukhi. And if one atma gets moksha, then all should get moksha. This is, and they think, oh, see how this Advaitin, such a poor intellect they have, they can't even think this much. What a wonderful Purva Paksha we have. मांडुक्य कारिका गौड़पादाचार्य जी, यथैकस्मिन् घटाकाशे रजो धूमादिभिर्युते न सर्वे संप्रयुज्यन्ते तद्वज्जीवा सुखादिभिः. In one pot, if you put raja, dhuma, all pots will have raja, dhuma? No. So in that only it is limited to that one pot. In the same way, sukha, dukha, bandha, moksha, vyavastha is limited to that pratibimba. One jiva, not all jivas. One atma. See, if sukha, dukha, moksha was in atma, then this problem would come. We don't keep sukha, dukha, bandha, moksha in atma. We say sukha, dukha is in antakarana, bandha, moksha is in antakarana. So there is no problem. That antakarana becomes sukhi, dukhi, or is baddha, mukta, ityadi. Atma na nirodho na cha utpatti, na baddho na cha sadhak. There is nothing. Na mumukshu, na vai mukta. Atma doesn't have any. And even manyness, what we are seeing, what we are experiencing is not many Atma. We are experiencing many Shariras. You see, if your Bheda is based on Sharira, you keep it in Sharira. Why you want to move Bheda in Atma? Because I see many Sharira, therefore there are many Atmas. What kind of Vyapti is this? Because I see many Sharira, therefore there has to be many Atmas. Because I see many Sharira, therefore there are many Shariras. This you can conclude. So this paksha is also nirastam. Jalagata pratibimbanam anyatame here drishtanta is given. Jalagata pratibimbanam anyatame kampadadimattaya vibhavyamane api anyesham tadvattaya abhava nishchayat यथा धर्म व्यवस्था एवं जीवेषु अपि व्यवस्था उपपत्ते है. In one pot there is water, in that there is surya pratibimba, jalagata pratibimbanam in all of them, anyatame kampanadimatya. In one, let us say there is kampanam in water, movement in water. In one pot, all waters will be disturbed? No, only one will be disturbed. In one water you put some color in one pot, then how many will be colored? Only that one, not all. कंपनादिमत्तया विभाव्यमाने अपि अन्येषां तद्वत्ताया अभाव निश्चयात्. In others, tadvatta means kampanadivatta will kampanam or any malinatvam, it will not be there. So there abhava is nishchita. Just as there such dharma vyavastha is there, evam jiveshu api vyavastha upapatte. In the same way in jiva also this vyavastha you can have. Similarly, Jiva Ishvara also. Jiveshwarayor ekatve api dharma bheda vyavasthaya ayameva drishtanta. Same example, that if kampanam is there in one water, in one pot, the reflection will move in that pot, not the one in the sky. That will remain the same. यथा प्रतिबिंबे चलनादिमति न भानुष चलनादिमान भवति. When प्रतिबिंब चलनम takes place, then भानु doesn't move. एवं जीवे कर्तृत्वादि संसार धर्म वत्तया भासमानेपि न परमात्मा तद्धर्मवान भवति इति. In the same way, in jiva, कर्तृत्वादि इफ इट इज देयर, परमात्मा डजंट बिकम कर्ता भोक्ता, और जीव इज संसारी, देयरफॉर परमात्मा ऑल्सो शुड बिकम संसारी. दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. तदेवम् आत्मनः परिच्छिन्नत्वम् अनेकत्वम् ईश्वरादन्यत्वं च उपाधिवशात् प्रतिभासते. न वस्तुतः आत्मनः परिच्छिन्नत्वं, फाइनाइटनेस, लिमिटेशंस, अनेकत्वम, मेनीनेस, ईश्वराद अन्यत्वम, बीइंग अदर देन परमात्मा, च उपाधिवशाद प्रतिभासते. दिस इज ओनली ड्यू टू उपाधि, कंडीशनिंग. न वस्तुतः, नॉट इन इट्स एसेंस, नॉट इन रियलिटी. तत्र एते धर्माः सन्ति इति प्रतिपाद्य. न वस्तुतः तत्र एते धर्म, वस्तुतः इन आत्मा दीज धर्मस आर नॉट देयर इति प्रतिपाद्य. दिस इज एक्सप्लेन्ड. नाउ इदानीं जीवेश्वरयोस्तटस्थस्वरूपलक्षणप्रदर्शनद्वारा तयोरैक्यस्य वाक्यार्थत्वयोग्यतां संभावयति. नाउ तत्त्वमसि वाक्य इन दैट जीव ईश्वरयोः तटस्थलक्षण एंड स्वरूपलक्षण, तटस्थ स्वरूपलक्षण प्रदर्शनद्वारा तयोः ऐक्यस्य वाक्यार्थत्वयोग्यतां. देयर इज वाक्यार्थ योग्यता is there when there is aikya between the two. Aikyataam, vakyarthatva yogyatam. So there vakyartha is possible with aikya. That possibility is being explained now. Sambhavayati. Karanatvancha karyatvam tatastham lakshanam tayoho शाखायां चंद्र इति वन नैव मुख्यमिदं मतम्. कारणत्वञ्च कार्यत्वं तटस्थं लक्षणं तयोः शाखायां चंद्र इति वन नैव मुख्यमिदं मतम्. कारणत्वं च कार्यत्वं तटस्थं लक्षणं तयोः. हाउ यू हैव टू रीड दिस? तयोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः, कारणत्वं तटस्थं लक्षणं, कार्यत्वं च तटस्थं लक्षणं. सो तत्पदार्थस्य तटस्थं लक्षणं कारणत्वं, त्वं पदार्थस्य तटस्थं लक्षणं कार्यत्वं. In this way, see in one line how he puts so many things because of samasa. And then of course it is the responsibility of the tikakara and then the vyakhyanakara to split all those things. How this will work? So this first line is tatastha lakshana. What about Swarupa Lakshana? He gives in second line. Shakhayam, no, the example for that the Tatastha Lakshana he gives in the second line. Swarupa Lakshana is in the next shloka. Shakhayam Chandra itivat naiva mukhyam idam matam. Idam matam na mukhyam. This is the not the Swarupa Lakshana directly. This is indirectly. Like Shakhayam Chandra इतिवत. So tatastha lakshanam is tad bhinnatve sati tad vyavartakatvam. This morning only we saw tatastha lakshana. Tad bhinnatve sati tad bodhakatvam. Tatastha lakshanam. Like for Brahma, tatastha lakshanam was given srishti sthiti laya karanam. And it was said jagat kartrutve sati jagad upadhanatvam. तटस्थ लक्षणम. और इन श्रुति यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते येन जातानि जीवन्ति यत् प्रयन्त विसंविशन्ति तद विजिज्ञासस्व तद ब्रह्म. दिस इज द तटस्थ लक्षणम. एंड इन ब्रह्म सूत्र व्हाट इज द तटस्थ लक्षणम? जन्माद्यस्य यतः इज द तटस्थ लक्षण. टीका. तयोः तत्त्वमर्थयोः, तयोः मीन्स तत्त्वमर्थयोः, तत्त्वं पदार्थयोः, कारणत्वं तत्पदार्थस्य तटस्थलक्षणं. कारणत्वं इज तत्पदार्थस्य तटस्थलक्षणं. कार्यत्वं त्वं पदार्थस्य इति योज्यं. तथा च श्रुतिः कार्योपाधिरयं जीवः कारणोपाधिरीश्वरः. कार्योपाधि इज जीव, कारणोपाधि ईश्वर. महानारायण उपनिषदि चतुर्थाध्याय. In some other Upanishad also it is there, in minor Upanishad. So Jiva is Karya Upadhi, Ishvara is Karana Upadhi. Earlier you remember Karya Karana Bhava between Tat and Tvam was negated. Between Jiva and Ishvara there is no Karya Karana. So you said there is no Karya Karana between Jiva. Here you are saying Jiva is Karya Upadhi, Ishvara is Karana Upadhi. We say yes, you read properly, you listen properly. It is Upadhi where there is Karya Karana, not in Chaitanya. Karyopadhi, so Karyam Upadhi Upadhiryasya Saha Karyopadhi Karanam Upadhiryasya Saha Karanopadihi. In this way, Samasa Vigraha will come. Bhuta Bhautika Prapancha Karanatvam Tat Padarthopalakshanam. What is the Upalakshana for Tat Padartha? Bhuta Bhautika Prapancha Karanam. So Tat Padartha is nothing but Bhuta Bhautika Prapancha Karanam. And Tvam Padartha Dehendriyadi Sanghata Rupa Karyadhyakshatvam. Tvam Padartha Upalakshanam. Deha Indriyadi Sanghata Rupa Karyadhyakshatvam. So this is the one who is presiding over Karya of Dehendriyadi Sanghata. That is Tvam Padartha Upalakshanam. And Tat Padartha Upalakshana is Bhuta Bhautika Prapancha Karanato ityadi. Ukta Lakshanam idam ubhayo sadbhava sambhavana matra hetuhu. These two lakshanas, Ukta Lakshanam idam ubhayo of Tat and Tvam, sadbhava sambhavana matra hetu, na swarupa paryavasai. This is not swarupa lakshanam, this is tatastha. That's why it is given Sadbhava Sambhavana Matra. That it is only indicating that possibility that there is something. Through this Tatastha Lakshana's job is to point out that there has to be some such thing in this way. Ubhayoho Sadbhava Sambhavana. That both of them, they have to exist in this way, and this Tatastha Lakshana proves that. न स्वरूप पर्यवसाय इति एतद् दृष्टान्तेन स्पष्टयति. It is not the one culminating in swarupa yet. It is only tatastha. The next example for swarupa lakshana is in the form of prakrishta prakasha chandraha. Prakrishta Prakasha Chandraha. This one is the Swarupa Lakshana. This comes in many texts. So this Chandrama on Dvitiya, when you are like in the midst of lot of trees etc. and you cannot see the Chandrama, then its Sadbhava Sambhavana is pointed out by showing the tree, then branch, and then from there Shakha to Chandra in this. That is why Shakha Chandra. Swarupa Paryavasayi Lakshanam Sadrishtantamah. Now Swarupa Paryavasayi Lakshanam is given with Drishtanta. Mahaprakashamityuktam Swarupam Chandra Lakshanam Satchidananda Rupatvam Swarupam Lakshanam Tayoho Mahaprakashamityuktam Swarupam Chandra Lakshanam Satchidananda Rupatvam Charupam Lakshanam Tayoho. Mahaprakasham. So if somebody asked, what is Chandrama? You are talking about Chandrama. What is Chandrama? Kaha Chandraha? So the answer is given. Prakrishta Prakashaha Chandraha. That which has Prakrishta Prakasha is Chandra. Prakrishta Prakashaha Chandraha. So instead of Prakrishta, because of Shloka, Chanda, he has put Mahaprakasham. But he means that Prakrishta Prakasham. So Prakrishta Prakasha Chandra iti uktam Swarupam Chandra Lakshanam. This is the Chandra Lakshana, Swarupa Lakshana. And Satchidananda Rupatvam is the Swarupa Lakshana of Atma. Tayoho means Tattvam Padarthayoho. So Atmanaha Satchidananda Rupatvam. So Tvam Pada Lakshana, Swarupa Lakshana, Satchidananda Rupa. Tatpada Swarupa Lakshana is also Satchidananda Rupa, but it is pointed out as Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma in this way. So one is said Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma. Another is said Satchidananda. Both mean the same thing. Yatha Prakrishta Prakasha Chandra. This tika just understand properly. First time this example you are studying Prakrishta Prakasha Chandraha iti. Chandra Swarupa Lakshanam. This is the Lakshana of Chandra, Swarupa Lakshanam. Naitad Vishishtartha Param. It is not Vishishtartha Param. Means the Vakya should be understood as Prakrishta Prakashaha Chandraha. Vakya should not be understood as Prakrishta Prakasho Yasya Saha Chandraha. In this way you should not understand. That is what is said. Na etad Vishishtartha Param. Chandra Pratipadikārtha Matra Bhubutsaya Krita Prashnasya Uttaratvena Asya Pravrittehe. Because what was asked, Kaha Chandraha. So then your answer should be Chandra Pratipadikartha Matra. Because that was the Bhubutsa. The questioner wanted to know only this. Bodhum Ichha Bhubutsa. Chandra Pratipadikartha Matra Bhubutsa he had. So in that, if you start answering something else, then that is not what was asked. Like if I will ask, how do I reach Uttarkashi from here? Which way I should go? So then somebody will start. There is one great place. That place is called Haridwar. From Haridwar, there are roads going. Then there is a great place called Rishikesh. From there are roads going. Then this. What is my question? You say, I am answering your question only. Whenever a question is asked, this Maharaj Ji tells this many times. If a question is asked and instead of directly responding to that answer, if somebody starts talking here and there, then what will happen? You see this Vakya. So, Chandra Pratipadika Artha Matra Bubhutsaya Krita Prashnasya Uttaratvena Asya Pravritteha. Vaishishtya Paratve Abubhutsitartha Vishaya Paratvena. If Vaishishtya is the answer given, which is Abubhutsita Artha. Abubhutsita Artha means something that I don't want to know, but you are going on, then Abubhutsita Artha Vishaya Paratvena Anavadheya Vachanata Apattehe. Anavadheya Vachanata means something for which I don't need to pay attention. And this is what generally happens. If a question is asked, instead of answering that, you start talking anything else, the questioner will not pay attention. And this happens most of the time, like many times in Maharajji's class. When he will ask a question, anything, whether it is some sutra of Lagu or Tarka Sangra question or Gita Shloka or any, what is the Hetu, what is Sadhya, what is Vyapti, etc. He will ask something. If you answer anything little here and there also, he will go to another person. He will not listen to you anymore. And you don't get second chance in his class. If you are there in the class and he sees that for 5 minutes or 2-3 minutes also your attention is somewhere else, next 10 minutes he will not even look at you. You are as if not there in the class. So whatever question is asked, straight you have to answer that, and you don't have to repeat lot of things also. Like if the question is asked, from here to Uttarkashi, how many hours it will take? So, if you go by this road, then it will take, if the weather is like, you just answer how many hours it will take. 5 hours, okay. Or you say 5 to 6 hours. Means whatever answer you have to give, straight you have to come to the point. No going round and round. So, abhutsitartha vishaya paratvena avadheya vachanata apatte hai. If you interpret this prakrishta prakashas chandraha as prakrishta prakasho yasya saha chandra, the one which has bright light is moon, that is not the answer. Bright light is moon. In this way you should answer. That then only it is Swarupa Lakshana. Yaha prakrishtah prakashah saha chandraha. See how it is given. Yaha prakrishtah prakashah saha chandraha. That which is bright light, that is moon. Iti nirdeshe yat tat shabdayoho. Where is yat shabda? In yaha prakrishtah. And where is tat shabdah? In saha. Yat tat shabdayoho samanadhikaranyena ekarthatva niyamat. In them there is samanadhikaranya yaha sa. This is the ekarthatva. So they will always refer to same. Yaha saha. Therefore, prakrishta prakasha and chandra, prakrishta prakasha chandra padayoho swarupa matra paryavasanasya avashyam bhavat. They are culminating in swarupa matra. Swarupa matra avasanasya paryavasanasya avashyam bhavat. Chandra swarupa lakshanam akhanda chandra pratipadikaartha matram bodhayati iti yuktam. So this is pointing out swarupa lakshana of akhanda chandra. Akhanda chandra means chandra matra. not Chandra with Vishishta Prabha. That is not what is said here. Like in Soyam Devadatta, Devadatta Matra, in that way. Chandra Matra. तथा च तयोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः सच्चिदानंद रूपत्वम. That's why you see प्रकृष्ट प्रकाश need not be sure, should not be dharma of Chandra. Like that, Satchidananda is not dharma of Atma. In secondary sense, you can use that when this Vakya comes, Atyanta Viviktayoho Dharma Dharminoho Mithya Jnana Nimitta Satyanrate Mithnikritya Hamidam Mama Idam Iti Naisargikoyam Loka Vyavahara. So, in that, the superimposition of dharma, atma and anatma, and their dharma and dharmi. So you say, but atma doesn't have any dharma. Yes, but in secondary sense, gauna prayoga is Satchidananda can be used as dharma, and atma is nirdharmakaha. And so in Panchapadika, that shloka is given, which I think I have mentioned. It is a famous one. It is quoted in Chitsukhi, in Siddhanta Bindu also we saw. Cheti Dharmaha. What is that? Ananda Vishaya Anubhavo Ananda, Vishayanubhava and Sattvam. These are they are taken as dharma of Atma, not in the Mukhya Artha. तथा च तयोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः सच्चिदानंद रूपत्वं स्वरूप लक्षणम्. अनृत जड़ दुख परिच्छेद्य विरोधी सच्चिदानंदानंत रूपता तत्वं पदार्थ स्वरूपम इत्यर्थः. सो देयरफॉर तयोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः स्वरूप लक्षणं किम? सच्चिदानंद रूपत्वम. एंड अनृत जड़ दुख परिच्छेद्य विरोधी. सो दिस अनृत जड़ विरोधी, दिस इज फ्रॉम संक्षेप शारीरक. देयर इज ए श्लोका, अनृत जड़ विरोधी. आत्मा इज Anrita means mithya. Mithya's virodhi will be satyam. Jada virodhi will be jnanam. Dukha virodhi will be sukham, means ananda. So it will be satyam, jnanam, anantam or satchidananda. And परिच्छेद्य विरोधी will be अनंतम. So अनृत जड़ दुख परिच्छेद्य विरोधी सच्चिद आनंद अनंत रूपता तत्वम पदार्थ स्वरूपम इत्यर्थः. That is the स्वरूप of तत्वम पदार्थ. तथा च कार्य कारण लक्षणोपाधि द्वय प्राहाण्य विरोधाभासे बाधिते सति सच्चिदानंद अनंत स्वभाव मात्रे भेदलेशस्यापि अभावात् एकलक्षण योगित्वेनैक वाक्यार्थ प्रतिपत्ति योग्यता अनयोर्युक्तेति वाक्यार्थमाह. तथा च कार्य कारण लक्षण उपाधि द्वय. सो दी टू उपाधिज, कार्य उपाधि, कारण उपाधि ऑफ डिफरेंट तत्पद and tvampada. Upadhi dvaya prahanya, when the prahana, nasha is taken place, means their mithyatva is understood. Virodhabhase badhite sati, when the virodhabhasa, apparent contradiction, is negated, badhite sati, Satchidananda ananta swabhava matre bhedaleshasyapi abhavat. In the Satchidananda ananta Brahma, Bhedalesha Abhava is there. Means there is not even an iota of difference between the two. Means it is the same entity. It is not that they are similar. Jiva and Brahma. Jiva is nothing but Brahma alone. Ekalakshana yogitvena ekavakyartha pratipatti yogyata. Because of their same lakshana, they are one. Lakshana samanyat vastu samanyam. If the lakshana is samana, then vastu is also same. एक वाक्यार्थ प्रतिपत्ति योग्यता अनयोः युक्ता इति. So how will this work? Lakshana samanyam and vastu samanyam. Let us say I do lakshana of ghata. So पृथु बुध्नोदादि akaram tad ghataha, that which has this kind of shape, form, and flat surface, then round, and the neck on top, this is called ghataha. So if two things have saman lakshanam, then there are two ghatas or one ghata. We say there will be two ghata and same lakshana can be there. So then in that lakshana you will have to add something. Like if somebody says ghata manaya, bring that pot, and let us say there are two pots. So ghatatva will be there in both. Ghata manaya, so then kaha ghata? Which pot? So then you will have to say that pot which is kept in this room, not in the other room. So then okay, I understood. Let us say both pots are in the same room and same size and same color. Then you will, in your lakshana you will have to give more identity. You will have to say that pot which is filled with water, not the one which is empty. That pot you bring. Or let us say both are filled with water. Then you will say the one which is on right side, that you bring, not the one on left side. So this is how lakshana will, bheda will come. Something is different. Same desha, same kala, same vastu, that lakshana will be only one. That vastu will be only one. वाक्यार्थमाह एकलक्षणयोरैक्यं वाक्येन प्रतिपाद्यते. एकलक्षणयोरैक्यं वाक्येन प्रतिपाद्यते. So ekalakshana of the both, only one lakshana, the swarupa lakshana is same in both. Aikyam vakyena pratipadyate. By this vakya, Tattvamasi Mahavakya, their Aikyam pratipadyate is being pratipadita. So this shloka, a part is very simple. Up to this we will keep. The rest of the part we can conclude this shloka Vyakya tomorrow. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ओम.